Good afternoon. I am Ana Maria, the hosting an interview. We are with Janine. Hello, Janine. And the theme question is, should government prioritize spending on the exploration space?
Well, thank you so much for having me today in this interview. I'm glad to be here with you.
Thank you very much. Well, the first question is space an important frontier for human exploration inspiration?
Yes, I think we should keep exploring it further. Through space research, we have managed to learn and understand the nature of our universe and the solar system we belong to. So it is a fundamental thing that we advance further in research in order to improve our standard of living, or keep improving, actually.
Okay, that's an interesting point of view. Well, the second question is, does the space exploration benefit science human understanding?
Yes, the exploration directly benefits the process and understanding in physics, and thus increases our knowledge in different fields, ranging from economics all the way to science and biology.
It's very interesting that many of us are unaware of the many benefits of the space exploration give us.
Yeah, correct.
Should space exploration be publicly funded?
Yes, I think space exploration should be publicly and privately funded. Even though space exploration might not be a priority for many individuals, I think that it is a science that improves our standard of living, as I mentioned before, and well, it's beneficial for all of us in order to advance as a race. So yes.
Okay, so it is a benefit for us. Everyone should contribute it. Okay. Next one. Does the human race need to be able to move to another planet?
So this answer rather depends on your moral values and value system, because I think that if you're a technocentric, you'd see the importance and priority to be able to send humans to other planets in order to capture everything that we have advanced since our early days. However, I think that I stand in more of an ecocentric point of view, as I believe that if we were given Earth and we couldn't take care of it, I don't think we are very deserving of having another planet for us to ruin. Hopefully we will never ruin it completely, and we will find a way to not have to go to another planet, to enjoy the planet that we have been given now.
Do you think it is possible?
Not with the technology that we have now, but I think that in some years, yes, it'll be doable. However, I don't know if as human beings have enough years in our lifetime to be able to support that type of long trip.
Thank you very much. Next one. Are missions to Mars important and worth funding?
Yes, I think that missions to Mars are definitely important, and I think they're worth funding if there is a correlation or a correct ratio between the amount of money that's going into Mars missions to Mars, and the ratio is equal to amount of information or valuable and transferable knowledge, then I think it's definitely justifiable the amount of money that has been funded for missions to Mars.
Okay, thank you. Should people be flown to space instead of robots?
Depends for what reason. I think robots are capable of having any emotions. So it is definitely an interesting point of view of why the human should be sent up to space rather than robot, which is able to gather and collect data much more accurately in some cases, of course.
That's true. Okay. Next. Is sending humans to space good for international relations?
I don't know if it's good, but definitely it's proactive. When both the U.S. and Russia were trying to send a man to the moon, I think there was a competitive drive that made the human race much more ambitious to want to reach to their goals. So I definitely think it's proactive. In other international relations, it would be great that the whole world works together in projects. But I think that competitive drive is important as well.
Okay, the last one. Should opponents of space exploration still be required to contribute?
Yes, I think that not every individual sees the importance of contribution through taxes or the government having to pay a proportion for the budget of space exploration, but because it benefits us all in different things, such as even the prosthetics, for example, or laser surgery, or even running shoes that were all creations from information that or knowledge that we even gathered from space exploration. So yes, I do think that we should all contribute.
Wow. Thank you very much. That's all.
Thank you so much for having me.